My name is Mirembe Lukiya. Today I'm going to discuss oral testing. You are most welcome. What is oral testing? It is a form of assessment intended to measure learning outcomes carried out orally. It includes an assessment of learners' learning that is conducted by word of mouth. Why do we conduct oral testing? It is mostly carried out to measure the ability to communicate and negotiate by interacting meaningfully and accurately. It is also used to test task specification and validity. In lower primary classes, it is carried out to measure the competence of learners who are not able to read and write. What does oral testing measure? Oral testing mostly tests communicative effectiveness. These include demonstration of sufficient understanding of the subject matter, communicative effectiveness, grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, completion of tasks, comprehension, distinction from a defense thesis, oral reports, interviews, information gap, problem solving, debates, chewed instructions, role plays, rhymes and poems, narrations such as stories, chants and songs, and giving instructions. How valid is oral testing? Validity of oral testing rests on the following. Does the activity measure speaking or something else? Is the assessment activity authentic? Is the activity appropriate for the level of learners? Does the activity list the kinds of language skills needed? Does the activity assess memory? How should oral testing be conducted? First and foremost, there should be a relaxed atmosphere during oral tests. 2 or more examiners should be present to make sure it is more objective. Where possible, there should be 2 assessments, one for oral and the other written. Candidates can also be tested in pairs. There must be a scoring rubric which should be followed to the dot. What are the advantages of oral testing? 1, it enables one to improve on their spoken skills of language. 2, one is able to measure children who cannot speak. 3, provides a platform for self-expression. And 4, it promotes critical thinking. What are the disadvantages of oral testing? 1, it is very difficult to score. Then 2, there may be some biasness. 3, it is time consuming in conducting it and even preparing for it. 4, difficult to maintain objectivity. And lastly, it is difficult to develop a criteria for assessment. In conclusion, oral testing should be an extension of classwork and continuous assessment which occurs in every lesson. Thank you.